Hi, this is Greg with Calendarsnack. Thanks for stopping by and taking a peek. I'm going to run through this really quick. I got about 11 slides in just a couple minutes, so let's get started. I'm going to go to full screen here. Hopefully it worked fine. To get a Calendarsnack, all you do is open up your Google or Outlook calendar. Use what's here in number 1, which is create@calendarsnack.com. You're going to essentially invite us to your event. Every time you do that, we create a Calendarsnack. So from 1 to 2 takes 10 seconds, and we send you the Calendarsnack back to your email address. So in this case here, the event organizer is Mandy@techvader.com. You can see to the right here, number 2, she received a Calendarsnack. All you do to open up the Calendarsnack is click to view, and when you click to view, the information for the RSVP codes and the calendar landing pages are right there for you. This whole process takes 10 seconds. So from 1, 2, 3, and 4, specifically on 3 is what I'm going to highlight today, is about Klaviyo and copying the code from our RSVP ready button. You're going to copy it and put it into your template in Klaviyo. So with that said, this is how the workflow generally works across all our RSVP buttons. You insert the code. When somebody uses this and is sent out and the customer clicks the button, they're sent to a landing page that says, thanks, we just sent you a calendar invite. We send a calendar invite, and then we track it on the back on our RSVP dashboard. It's that simple. So in Klaviyo button workflow, you're going to copy the code, like I said. You're going to insert it into the button block area. You can come up with whatever terms you want with regards to context. I just use, for example, click for RSVP here, and when I insert this code from Klaviyo out of Calendarsnack, you insert it into the link here, that button's ready to go. So in this case here on workflow, when someone clicks this particular button here, they're sent to a very detailed landing page which we auto-generate for you, or you can use your own landing page, but we think ours is pretty nice and it's easy to use. They're sent a calendar invite, and then we track the data on the back. So with that said, with every RSVP button, there is a landing page as well, auto-generated from your calendar. These can be used in conjunction with the RSVP buttons, and in particular, we have landing pages for single events, and then we have something for the upcoming 25 events, which is every time you send us a Calendarsnack, we keep track of them for the upcoming event landing page, and you can use that code as well to promote your event. So with that said, this is how these work. All you do is copy the code, which is a URL, and you paste it into any browser. You can obviously make it a hyperlink in an email, and you send this out to cross-promote the RSVP buttons you're using in Klaviyo. So here's the single one here, and then here is the multiple event one for upcoming events. That said, all this data is in your dashboard. So every time you create a Calendarsnack, you're going to basically add it to your dashboard. And this is how the automation piece works for the calendar lander itself, the single event page here. When someone puts information into the calendar landing page, they click that button, they're sent to a nice landing page, a pre-built landing page saying thank you. We send out the event and we track it on the back. Now, we do the same thing for the all events landing page for your next upcoming 25 events. Individually, when someone clicks these buttons here, they receive the individual calendar invitations, and we track that as well. So with that said, all of our information is kept in a dashboard for you for long term. And so any events can be drilled into, and you can look at the event data on a per event baseline. And then obviously we collect the RSVP receipts, or what's called in calendar terminology, the calendar receipts, on a per click basis. All this fine-grained data is in your dashboard. Thanks for stopping by. That wraps up Saturday, 8/21/21. Thanks.